Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about how you can make some quick money while you're building your online business in the long run. So this was my one of the major obstacle. I was trying to build my online in the long run, but I was not making any money, because building an online business in the long run is gonna take some time. So how you can make some quick cash in order to invest back in your building your online business. So I'm gonna cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. And also I'm going to talk about my online journey on this channel. So please subscribe to the channel. And also, before I actually talk about today's topic, be sure to check out the program by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. This is one of the best affiliate program you're gonna ever see, because you get to promote high ticket and recurring commission programs, and also you're gonna get all the training that is required in order to grow your business. So coming back to today's topic, if you want to succeed online in the long run, you want to build a long-term business. That's what everybody says, and even I talk about it a lot in my videos as well. But most of the people come to online world in order to make some extra cash, because everybody are going through their job, maybe they need some extra cash, in order to pay their bills, or they're not able to fulfill their requirement using their job, so they want to build some make some extra cash. That's why people come to online. But when we come to online in order to make money, we find it it's not that easy, how we see other people are doing. So that's when you realize and you become desperate about money, and you start doing the things which you should not do. So that's why building a long-term online business is something that is everybody talks about. But building a long-term online business is gonna take some time, because you need to create your audience, you need to find the right product you're promoting, and once you find the audience, you need to keep on following up them. There is a lot of work. I mean, you need to create content. There is a lot of work in order to grow your business in the long run. So while doing this, it may take maybe 6 months. For some people it will take 6 months. Some people it will be years. So some people it will take years, in two to 3 years, in order to make their first dollar online. But I mean, many people ask this, while I know I'll be doing that, but how do I make some quick buck? So I'm gonna share what I did when I was in this situation. So maybe that can help you come out of if you're going through the same situation. So back in 2018, when I started learning about online marketing, so I learned about WordPress, how to build a websites, and because you wanted to create that website, right? So I started creating websites, and I know it was not a successful business. When this was my first business, I started creating blogging, and it was not successful because I couldn't focus much on it. And but I don't call it as a failure, because I learned how to build websites, and I know WordPress, and I knew how to create those pages, and how to add content, and how to do the backlinking, keyword research, and all that stuff I learned. And what I did was I started contacting people over the Facebook, and this was back in 2018, of course, in the end of the year. And there I first I started talking to people, and I help them understand how the having a website can change their life. And I spoke to them, and they agreed for me to build their website. Initially I did it for free, and I just asked them to buy the hosting through my affiliate links. That's how I made some initial money. And later on I got 9 such clients, and I started charging $25. I don't even know whether that is the right price, because I had never earned the money online. So I just started charging $25. So I got 9 clients in such way, and I didn't want it to continue in the long run, but I made some quick cash on that. And also I started learning about funnels, and I started building funnels for people. So that's how I started making money initially. But the important step here is you don't want to mess up with this strategy with your long-term online building strategy. Long-term building online building strategy could be you're creating content on a daily basis, building your email list and on a daily basis, and driving traffic to your people, and and creating an irresistible offer, and all that stuff comes under your long-term business plan. That executionable plan. And this other quick money scares, things can be other plan. But when you try to mess up both the things, for example, you're building your long-term business, you're doing, but you're not seeing any results, and you become desperate about money, and you switch over to quick money making schemes. You want to be genuine, you don't want to spam in that way as well, because nothing is going to work. And once you do that, for example, once you have that what we call, like once you try those quick making money strategies, if they don't work, it's gonna spoil that as well, and it's gonna interrupt your online long-term building strategy as well. So be sure, like you don't want to spoil your long-term building strategy, because you come up with a very actionable plans and execute both separately. That way only you will be able to make some quick money as well, and you want to build your long-term business. I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want to connect with me, you can just email me. I'll provide my email address in the link in the description. And also you can be sure to check out the program by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. That is one of the best affiliate programs you're ever gonna see. And if you need any help with your business, be sure to check that out, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.